Good morning, sir.
Morning, students. How are you? All.
Sir,
How
good
you doing
morning,
all?
sir.
Yeah,
Fine,
yeah,
sir.
yeah,
How are
yeah.
you?
Good, 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 good. Fine. So I introduced you myself. Who I am? Fine. So start the class only now directly. Um, Last time where we stopped studying infertility of soil, right?
Yes, sir.
Who's going to read? Anusha.
Sir, I. Sir, I.
Anusha, will you read?
Sir, I.
Hmm? Will you read or not? Okay, leave it. Pratibha.
Hey. Sir, I, sir.
Santosh. Santosha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Show yourself. Start the video.
Yes, sir. Sir, which page number, sir?
Say page number 21, but you have to start the video.
Good morning, sir.
Video.
Morning, but don't talk anyone, please. Only the one
Yes, sir.
what I have.
When a disease carries micro enters our body, the body produces antibiotics. Yes, sir.
Increasing soil fertility paragraph.
Yes, sir. Increasing soil
Say, keep
fertility.
your phone.
Some,
Keep your phone far.
yes, sir. Some bacteria are available to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. Their microorganisms are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers.
Picture. Stop.
Yes.
Stop. Off the video. Mute it. See, some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen from atmosphere. Okay, see, for example, whatever there in the air, nitrogen is there, no, that is converted, okay, to nitrogen fixation in the roots of a plant. Where? In the roots of a plant. So these type of bacteria are called friend bacteria. These are friend for plants, not for us. Friend for plants. So plants friend bacteria, what they do is they fix the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen in the nitrogen fixation, okay, to form a compound, fertility compound required for plant. Understanding, students? So this kind of bacteria are called biological nitrogen fixers. Biological nitrogen fixers. So Varshini, you wanna read? Varshini.
Sir, I will read, sir.
Sir, I'll read, sir. Sir, I'll read, sir.
No, don't say. I just say name. They are gonna read.
Sir, I'll read, sir.
No, don't say I don't say please. Usman Arab,
Yes, sir.
you want to read? You can read or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cleaning the
Sir,
environment. Cleaning the
sir,
environment, you have to read.
I do not have textbook, sir.
Say tomorrow, next class onwards, you must have test. Okay. Shruti, yes,
Sir,
W.
you give, sir,
Yeah,
hello. Sir,
yeah,
you
say.
give 5 minutes, sir. I will. Okay.
Say, okay, who is that? Shruti, yes.
Yes, sir.
Shruti, can you read or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you go on reading. Keep your phone far. You are present or not?
Yes, sir.
Fine. You read then. Cleaning the
Boja,
environment.
Boja, cleaning the environment. Boja and Pahil had observed the school gardener making manure along with their friends. They collected wastes of plants, vegetables, and fruits from nearby houses and gardens. They put them in a pit meant for waste disposal. After some time, it decomposed and got converted to manure. Boja and Pahil went to know how this had happened. Do you find any difference in the contents of the two pots? If if so, what is the difference? You will find that plant waste in pot A has been decomposed. How did this happen? The plant waste has been converted into manure by the action
Yeah.
of microbes.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. So what you do is, see what do actually we have seen now. We have seen that cleaning the environment too. They
Page
have
number
taken
what,
one.
sir?
You can go off, Shruti. Shruti, you can go off. Okay.
Sir, page number what, sir?
Say, Bojo and Paheli had observed the school gardener making manure. What do you mean by manure actually? Manure is nothing but, somewhere at the fields and orchards, all farmers what they do manure. What's manure, sir? Manure means the waste product of an animal, waste product of a plant, these all things are taken down and kept in somewhere at the corner. They decay themselves, not completely they decay. They are under with the help of like earthworms and all, they convert into organic fertilizer, organic fertilizer. Hope so. Someone is chatting and do not chat. We'll count your name, okay? Then see. Someone is chatting.
Sir, something
Okay.
and other.
Not issue, don't
Sir,
chat.
page number what, sir? Page number.
Okay, page number. Where you are still today? You are asking now page number. Don't do that. Fine thing. So,
Sir, we are
next
now
please.
joined, sir.
Next, Anusha can read or not?
Sir, I will read, sir.
Chanviresha, read.
Page number what, sir? Page number. I joined, sir.
Page number 22 or activity 2.5 below 2.5.
Yes, sir. Do you find any difference in the contents of two pots? If so, what
Yeah,
is the difference?
yeah,
What,
continue.
sir?
Continue.
The difference you will find that plant waste in pot A has been decomposed. How did this happen? The plant waste has been converted into manure by the action of microbes. The nutrients released in the process can be used by the plants again. Did you notice that in a point B, the polythene bags, empty glasses, bottles, and broken toy parts did not undergo any such change? The microbes cloud not act on them and convert them into manure. You
This
will
is how the manure is
often see.
produced. Stop. This is how the
Yes,
manure
sir.
is produced, students. This is how the manure is okay, produced because see, we have noticed
Chatting.
that two empty, see, there, where the actually material was there, where empty glasses were there, we should not keep it for manure is produced by the decaying of organic matter. Wherever you can write down for general knowledge. Manure is formed by
Sir, your
the
voice
decay
is
of
breaking, sir.
Sir, your voice
Sure.
is breaking, sir.
Why your voice is not clear?
Your voice is breaking.
Now, Vaishnavi, I want to Vaishnavi to read. Continue. Vaishnavi, Varshini.
Shush.
Chanvireta,
Sir,
audio off.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I got textbook, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
what,
fine,
sir?
but don't talk. Everyone, mute all. Varshini is reading.
Sir,
Do you
Chandrasekhar
notice
Gowda.
that in pot? Do you
Read.
notice? Do you notice that in pot B, the polythene bags, empty glasses, bottles, and broken toy parts? Did you undergo any such change? The microbes could not act on them and convert them into manure you often see large amount of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animals on the ground. You find that they disappears after some time. This is because the microorganism decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substances. These substances are again used by other plants that and animals. These microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and assembly substances and thereby clean up the environment.
So, what we have seen here? See, in this we have seen that they disappear after some time. Okay, we will find that the animals and decayed things disappear after some time. Where did they go? Actually, for example, consider if a cat is dying, okay, and it's thrown outside on the means somewhere on the road, someone thrown. Consider where what happens there if that decays, where it actually goes, where that animal go actually, and what those bones go and face the skull go, where they actually go. They convert it from one form to another form. This is called microbial action. Microbial action. Microbial action. Action taken by
Voice is breaking,
microorganisms.
sir.
Consider, see, the voice is not breaking. You should all make silence. I know that. Voice is not breaking. Fine. Okay. So we see large amount of dead organisms wherever over here. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby clean up the environment. See, whatever is decaying in environment. Consider someone something has died. Anything. If you cut a plant and throw it, it decays. 2 to 3 days after it will be not there. Where gone? Actually, it is gone by microorganisms decay. Hope so you are all understanding. Hmm? Next, harmful microorganisms. Again, you only read, ma.
Sir, I will read, sir.
Say,
Sir, can
don't
I
say
read?
I will. Don't say I will. I will. I'm going to make you absent. Okay, I'm going to remove. Don't do that. Whoever I'm saying no, they only have to read. You only read. Continue. Varshini.
Harmful organisms are microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the microorganisms cause diseases in human beings, plants, and animals. Such diseases causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms spoil food, clothing, and leather. Let us study more about their harmful activities. This
Stop. Say we have seen what is mean by pathogens. Pathogens. What is the meaning of pathogens? See, these are also microorganisms, so which destroy. These are not okay. These are not friendly bacteria. These are foe bacteria, enemy bacteria. They kill even our body parts. Also, somewhere you may be seeing bacterial infection on the body, and you will see bread, okay, and leathers, cloths. They all destroying. These you might have seen. So these are not pathogens. These all are called, okay, from which we get harmness. Okay, and those are called pathogens. Fine. I want Satwik to read. Satwik,
Yes, sir.
read.
Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink, or food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried by an animal. Microbial disease that can spread from an affected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, and physical contact are called communicable diseases. Example of such diseases include cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing and causing infection.
So, students, we see whenever you sneeze, okay, whenever you sneeze like this, thousands of droplets will come out, very high speed. In that each droplet, each Saqib, Saqib, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself, mute.
Okay, sir.
Making noise there. So, whenever we sneeze, no, thousands of droplets come out. In each droplet, there will be hundreds of pathogens. This is causing my pathogens. Okay, rhinovirus, like, and many type of other viruses and diseases means bacterium will be there, microorganisms will be there. COVID-19, our what's COVID, epidemic now. That is also belonging to microorganism, but micro upon very micro. It's a virus actually. Similarly, whenever you sneeze, that droplets will be inhaled by someone sitting in the room, consider classroom or somewhere in the room, meeting room or in the classroom, consider. If you sneeze, that droplets will be spreading throughout the air. Everyone will take into that breathing that. See, whatever disease you have, that is transferred everything to her, him or her. Very dangerous. These are called communicable diseases. Means the diseases which can spread through air, water, those are called communicable diseases. Okay, whenever you sneeze, your droplets come into air, very small particles, and that will be taken by someone, your classmates, and that classmate also get the same. This is what you have got. So what it's meaning actually, that is the communicable disease actually. Fine. Okay. Next read. You only read one.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
There are some insects and animals which acts as carriers of a disease causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal ex- excreta.
Beta.
excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. However, it eats the contaminated food in likely to get stick. So it is
Contaminant.
advisable to always keep food covered, avoid consuming uncovered items of food. Another example of a carrier is the female Anopheles mosquitoes, which carries the parasite of malaria. Female Andes Andes mosquito acts as carrier of a dengue virus. How can we control the spread of malaria or dengue?
Stop.
All must
Stop. So listen, students. It's very important to stay healthy and make others stay healthy. Yes or no, Satvik, you say.
yes sir, yes
Yes,
sir,
sir.
Hey, I
Yes,
said
sir.
only Satvik. No.
No, sir.
I said only Satvik. No. It will be like, disturbing here on online class, it will be not good. Only one has to talk, one, two has to talk. So, fine thing. So, Channaviresha,
What, sir?
what do you do that you are sneezing, okay, should not affect others. Disease should not spread. Then what do you do? Channaviresha, say.
Sir, we should cough and you should take a mask or kerchief. You have to take and sneeze, sir.
We need to take kerchief while sneezing. Otherwise, we need to put mask compulsorily nowadays, okay?
Yes, sir.
But some microorganisms are there. Some microorganisms are there, or some insects are there. They carry disease from one place to another. For example, say malaria. Okay, consider I have malaria. Some mosquito bites me. It comes somewhere in another area and bites to you or someone. Okay, uh, Santosha. Santosh, Chanviresha. Consider it. The mosquito bites me and comes and bites to you. What's it meaning? What a malaria? Mosquito is spreading the same blood to you also. So how? See, these are called carriers. Mosquito is called carrier. Like that, how carrier, you need to come down, make a list of carrier. Okay. So the same thing here is when if someone comes and sneezes to food in bakery, consider in bakery, food item is open. Your favorite biscuit bundle, your favorite cake is open, already open. So what happens? Someone comes sneezes on it. Taxi. Then what
Sir,
happens?
your voice is so.
Hey, don't complain anyone, but just listen. Hmm? What's happening? So someone comes and sneezes on that cake, and you are going to eat that cake. Consider. Then what all this disease he was having that will be completely gone into you. Understanding? So we need to avoid the unpacked foods. We need to take only packed foods. Very good thing. And next consider sanitation.
Huh, sir. Uh, all mosquitoes breed in water, hence one should not let water collect anywhere in the colors, tires, flowers, pot, etc. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Try to make a list of measures which helps to avoid the spread of malaria. Some
You need to
of
make a list. Stop. You need to make a list, okay? Which avoids the spread of malaria. Next. Next. You see that paragraph, that figure table 2.1.
sir,
Human disease.
some common
No. You need to see the table.
human diseases. Yes, sir.
Satwik,
Yes,
Satwik.
sir. Yes,
Read
sir.
the table.
Sir.
This, sir.
Read the table. Satwik only read the table.
Yes, sir. Human disease,
Tuberculosis.
tuberculosis.
You have to say like this. Tuberculosis caused by bacteria through air. Okay. Prevention. Say like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Tuberculosis
Tuberculosis, tuberculosis, uh, from
caused by
bacteria through air,
uh,
uh,
through air and
uh,
preservation. How can we
and
prevent? How can we prevent? Prevention.
preservation. Prevention,
Hmm.
keep the patient in complete isolation, keep the personal belongings of the patient away from those to the others, vaccination to be given at a suitable age.
Hmm. Whenever you were a baby, consider before 1 year, here somewhere mark will be there. Okay, your father, parents, all will be having mark here. Have you seen, Satvik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is nothing but TB mark actually. It is TB, tuberculosis vaccination. It is given when you were in a small baby. Okay, when you were a small baby. Fine. How does the you know measles? Oh, read next. Measles. It is measles. Read next.
O- Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can I read?
Measles
Sir,
through
can I?
virus from air, prevention, keep the patient
Same.
in complete
Prevention same. Prevention same.
okay.
And
Chicken
next,
pox
chicken pox
through
caused by chicken
through
pox.
virus from air and or contact.
Hmm. Next,
Polio from virus through air or water.
fine. Next,
Cholera from bacteria through water or food. Maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water. Vaccination and typhoid through bacteria from water.
yes. Hepatitis B. Read next.
Hepatitis.
Hepatitis B and malaria.
Hepatitis. Yes,
Hepatitis.
sir.
Sir, I can.
Hepatitis from a virus through water. Drink boiled water. Drinking water. Vaccination. Malaria from a protozoa through mosquito. Use mosquito net and repellents spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings.
See, all of you have to listen very importantly now. I am going to ask in the test, upcoming test and midterm exam. Table is very important, this table. I'm going to ask important questions from this table. All
Okay,
of you
sir.
note down. Satvik, okay, fine. All of you note down. I'm going to give you very important, I'm going to give you very important questions from this table. Table is very important.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is
Yes,
breaking,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your
Yes,
voice
sir.
is
Next,
breaking.
next, read. Who wanna read?
Sir, I,
Don't say.
Sir, I
I'll
will
say.
Can
read.
I
sir, I,
add
Prajwal,
this?
Prajwal.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Yes, sir.
sir, I.
Prajwal. Later,
Some
after.
of the common diseases, some of the common diseases affecting humans, their mode of transmission and few general methods of prevention are shown in table 2.1.
Hmm.
In other animals, for example, anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by a bacterium. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by a virus.
Okay.
Disease causing
Food and
microorganisms.
this, you got to know the meaning of that paragraph. Cattle is caused by virus. This is for the cattle. Cattle means danakargalu. Hmm? We will get diseases from there. Next, read on disease causing microorganisms in plant.
Disease causing microorganisms in animals.
Plants read
Several, yes, sir.
in plants read.
Several microorganisms cause diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and others. The diseases reduce the yield of crops. See table 2.2. For some such plant disease, they can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
actually in plants, many like things, the flowers used to somewhat like the flowers have destroyed themselves, and some sweet food grains and apples. You will see a black dot like structure there, means black mark there. Those are nothing but the microorganisms. They attack the plants also. The microorganisms they attack the plant also and destroy the plant body parts. If I destroy the plant body parts, you have seen. And next read one.
Okay, sir. Sir, I should read table,
Sir,
sir.
can I?
Table, yes, Prajwal, table.
Some common plant diseases caused by microorganisms. Plant
Hmm.
disease,
Table.
citrus canker. It is caused due to bacteria. It is spreaded through air.
Okay. I'll ask a question from table. Keep in your mind all of you 8th standard. Next read one.
Okay, sir. Rust of wheat caused due to fungi. It is spreaded through air and seeds.
Next.
Yellow, yellow vein mosaic of bhindi okra
Bindi.
caused due to
Bindi.
virus and spreaded through insects.
Okay. Bindi you might have seen. Bindi will be damaged whenever bring from market. 2 to 3 bindi will be damaged. We see why because of okra. Okay. This is what we are seeing. Yellow wing mosaic bindi. Fine. I'm going to ask you a question from this table.
Okay, sir.
These are the viruses. These are what they are called. They are called pathogens. They are called pathogens. And bacteria, virus. These are called. You understand it? Fine. Next. Go.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I.
Food
Who's
poisoning.
that?
Buzo was
Arpita. Stop.
Buzo was
Prajwal, stop.
yes, sir.
Harshita, go on reading.
Yes, sir. Both were invited by his friends to the party, and he ate a variety of foodstuffs. On reaching home, he started vomiting and had to be taken to a hospital. The doctors said it could be due to food poisoning.
What is the food poisoning actually, students? We will see. Kojo got food poisoning. How he got food poisoning? He will explain. Teammate, who want to read? Raise your hand proudly. Means just say.
Sir,
I
Who
sir,
want
can
to
sir.
read?
I? Sir, can
I
I?
sir.
Sir,
Nani.
sir, I can read. Yes, sir.
Stop,
Sir,
stop,
I
stop.
can
Suhas,
sir.
Suhas,
Sir,
Sir,
I.
I want to
I,
say.
sir. What, sir?
Sir, I
Sir,
want
I.
to say.
Sir, I.
please
Sir, I, sir, please, sir, I. Sir,
stop,
I.
everyone. Everyone stop. Suhas gonna read.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, page number, sir.
Page number, you said you want to read number 25 here, food poisoning. Page number
Yes,
25, food
sir.
poisoning.
Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of the spoiled by some
Stop,
microorganisms that grow.
stop. Suhas, stop. Practice reading in the home. Okay. And
Yes,
who's
sir.
this?
Sir, I will
Shruti.
read. Sir.
Sir, can I
Shruti,
read?
Shruti,
I will
Shruti.
read.
Yes, sir.
Stop
Sir,
all
I
of you.
read.
Stop all of you, I say. Shruti, please go already.
Yes, sir. These make the food poisons causing serious illness and even death. So it is very important that we preserve food and prevent it from being spoiled. Preservation. It in chapter first we have learned about the methods used to preserve and store food grains. How do we preserve cooked food at home? You know that bread left unused under moist conditions is attacked by fungus microorganisms. Spoil our food. Spoiled food emits bad smell and has a bad taste, and changed color is spoiling of food, a chemical reaction.
Stop,
Pahil
stop,
brought.
stop. Okay. What actually happened here is we see that conditions of attack of fungus and microorganisms, food, whatever, your chapatis, your rotis, your bread, what they will be, some like a sponge-like structure will be there on that after if you want to eat it or if you keep it aside. How those produced actually? Those produced by fungus or microorganisms only actually. What okay? Keep in your mind. And Usman, you brought the book. You read it, Usman.
Sir, I will try.
Sir, sir, where, sir?
Usman Arab,
Food?
you brought the book. Read down.
Yes, sir. Food due to the consumption of food. Some mic- microorganisms our food some produce toxic
Stop.
substance
Stop. Stop. Stop.
make the food pot.
Stop.
Sir, can I read?
Sarika, you can read.
Paheli
Sarika.
brought some Hi, sir. Paheli brought some mangoes, but she could not eat them for a few days. Later, she found that they were spoilt and rotten. But she knows that the mangoes pickle her grandmother makes does not spoil for a long time. She is confused. Let us study the common methods of preserving food in our home. We have to save it from the attack of microorganisms. Similarly,
Same.
we keep it.
Stop. We need to see now how to preserve the food from microorganisms. We should not let the microorganisms to attack it. Let's see how it is possible. Read that chemical method. First method is chemical method. Read on. Sarika, read
Yes,
on
sir.
first chemical.
Yes, sir. Chemical method. So, salt and edible oils are the common chemical generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. Therefore, they are called preservatives. We add salt or acid preservatives to pickles to prevent the attack of microbes. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite are common preservatives. These are also used in jams and squash to check their spoilage.
Stop reading. Fine. So now actually what it was there? What we have seen? We have seen that these chemical methods of preservation of food from microorganisms, we call them as preservatives. Okay, we call them as preservatives. Keep in your mind. Note on that. And I want Prajwal to read. Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
read. Prajwal.
Preservation by common salt. Common salt has been used to preserve meat and fish for ages. Meat and fish
Yeah.
are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Salting is also used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc.
To preservation from common salt, you might have seen imli, khatta imli, that khatta imli is there.
Yes, sir.
Sour imli. So imli means everyone got water in your mouth, huh? So imli will be stored with
Yes, sir.
applying common salt. Imli is stored applying common salt. Hmm? And some kind of amla is also preserved under the. You might while going to CBT or under the near Durgudbail, you might be seeing one with the pushing meter, he used to maintain all kind of this items. Hope so, huh? You got a water in your mouth, all of you. These all are food produced, okay? Preserved. Sorry, not produced. Preserved by common salt. The common salt will kill the bacteria actually. Keep in your mind. Common salt what we use in a home that kill the bacteria, microorganisms, for
Okay,
bacteria
sir.
or even bacteria. Next,
Uh,
preservation by sugar. Read Satvik. Satvik.
Okay, sir. Preservation by sugar. Jams, jellies, and squishes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture
Stop.
content with
Mute that sound. Stop.
okay, sir.
Mute that. Mute all of you. Something sound is coming.
Sir, not listening.
Sir, you mute.
Sir, do unmute. Sir, do unmute.
cannot listen, sir.
Sir, my
Let's do one thing. You mute all of you. All of you mute on. Let me see. All should mute one time. I'll tell. Then only you. Okay. Start you. Mute all of you. Hey, all of you. All of you mute, please. Okay. Now say preservation by sugar. Satvik, read.
Okay,
Satvik.
sir. Preservation by sugar. Jams, jellies, and squishes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria which spoil food.
You got it? Jams and jellies, we put a lot of sugar in it, right? So it will not tolerate. Oh, the microorganisms will be died under the sugar also. Huh? Next, read. Satvik, continue.
Okay, sir. Preservation by oil and vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Vegetables, fruit, fish, and meat are often preserved by this method.
Got it? Why the pickle won't decay? Have you wondered, dear students, all of you, that pickle will not decay actually? When until you keep for 2 years and 3 years,
Yes,
it
sir.
will not decay. Why it will not decay? Because you will applying there salt, huge amount of salt, huge amount of sugar, huge amount of oil, and huge amount of vinegar. Vinegar is a little bit acid like. Okay, so bacteria will not enter into their pickle. Your pickle will be safe always. Hmm? Next read. Who the Channaviresha read? Channaviresha.
Sir,
Use of
sir, I can read, sir.
oil and vinegar. You must have
Channaviresha
observed your mother boiling milk before it is stored or used. Boiling kills many microorganisms. Similarly, we keep our food in the register low temperature inhibits the growth of microbes.
okay. This boiling is the very best method to kill by microorganisms. Your water will be boiled, your microorganisms will be killed. So better to have boiling water and boiling all. You are understanding all of you? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next, continue. Tanviresha, continue.
Yes, sir. Pistolated milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free both of harmful microbes. The milk heated to be about 70 degree for 50 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes. This feature, this feature was discovered by Louis Pasteur is called a pasteurization.
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 Pasteurization. So pasteurization means the milk is already means in you. You might be seeing every day your milk will
Pasteurization means what, sir, in
boil.
Kannada?
Huh?
So, what?
Sir, pasteurization means in Kannada what, sir?
See, pasteurization means we see ಪಾಶ್ಚವೀಕರಣ in the Kannada we say ಪಾಶ್ಚವೀಕರಣ. I'll tell you explain. ಪಾಶ್ಚವೀಕರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಲನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕುದಿತೀರಲ್ಲ ಕುದಿಸಿ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೈತಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಹಾಲು ಒಡೆಯಂಗನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಹಾಲು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಅರ್ಥಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾಸ್ಚರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪಾಶ್ಚವೀಕರಣ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಇಸ್ when you boil okay the milk, the microorganisms will not enter into the milk. So your milk will be safe. So pasteurization is the number one given by scientist. Given by name of the scientist is Pasteur. Actually, Louis Pasteur. The name of the scientist is Louis Pasteur. In the 10th standard English you have a whole lesson about Louis Pasteur. 10th standard English you have whole lesson about the Louis Pasteur. Very wonderful lesson is there. When you come to 10th standard, you will study there. Fine. Louis Pasteur, he is very important in
Okay, sir.
biology. You need to keep his name in your mind. Louis Pasteur. Storage and packing. Harshita wanna read? I think so. Harshita, read.
Yes, sir. Storage and packing. These days, dry fruits and even vegetables are stored in sealed airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes.
Yeah. These
Nitrogen.
days, dry fruits, vegetables, solid, seed, okay, sealed airtight packets, okay, to prevent attack of microbes, okay. It's a very important too. You understand. Your chips, lips, okay. Whatever you have in the chips packet, Lay's packet or Parleys and all things, those will be filled with the nitrogen, high nitrogen or high
Yes, sir.
nitrogen, which the microorganisms will not survive. They die. Now next you say nitrogen fixation. Read.
Yes, sir.
Satvik, read. Satvik.
Yes, sir. You have learnt about the bacterium Rhizobium in class 6
Stop.
and
Stop.
7.
Stop.
It is involved in the fixation of
Stop. Satvik. Remaining all have to mute. Harshita should mute. Santosh should mute. Satvik, go on reading.
Yes, sir. You have learnt about the bacterium Rhizobium in class 6th and 7th. It is involved in a fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plants. Pulses. Recall that Rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants such as beans and peas, which with which it has a symbiotic relationship. Sometimes a nitrogen get fixed through the action of lightning, but you know that the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. You may wonder how. Let us understand this in the next session. Roots of a leguminous plants with root
If
noodles.
this is a plant, here at the basal of the plant, here at the root position, we will see the friend bacteria.
You're not listening.
The friend bacteria for plant, they convert, atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogen compounds through the bacteria called rhizobium. Very important here. The bacteria called rhizobium. In your exam point of view, this is very important. I'm saying, listen all of you. For your exam point of view, this is very
Okay, sir.
important. Hmm? Fine.
Okay, sir.
I'll time is over. We will see in the next class. Okay, all of you, go to the next class. What's given to you?
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
Bye,
sir.
Okay, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.